I'm walking down from the house and this just started doing this. I didn't do nothing. And now it's going to go back out without me doing anything. This car's crazy. Okay, problem we got. I can jump this box. I can jump these two fuses. This is an interlock relay and a starter relay. Okay, I can jump these two. I can make this car turn over with the key. The problem I had yesterday is I lost the fuel pump. Well, got to digging. Thought, well, damn, fuel pump went out. So I went home to fuel pump. Fuel pump's okay. Checked it back to the dash. Wire's okay, relay's okay. Checked the fuse. I got no juice at the fuse, number 28, which is this one right here. There's no 12 volts on either side of the fuse. And I'm like, really? I can't believe this. It's one thing or another here. Okay, the key's on. Turn on bolts. I'll turn on the screen so you can see it. I'll stick 28 so you can see that there's no juice there. Nothing. Nothing. Okay, I'll put 12 volts to the... You might be able to hear the pump. I doubt it because it's so quiet. It just keeps setting the freaking alarm off. There it goes. So I don't know what's going on here. I gotta get to digging. Well, I'm dead in the water with the car for a while. I lost my fuel pump. Lost number 28 fuse in the fuse box. So Thomas sent me an entire wiring diagram for the inside of this car. Tracked it all the way back to where the wire, where the number 28 fuse is supplied, all the way back to the back of the car. And it kept saying there's a fuel control module back here, right there. This is why they total water damaged cars. This is the exact reason they total water damaged cars. I did not know this thing was back here. I did not know this water was back here, okay? So I come back here and this is how it, okay? It just looks like a piece of filler foam. So I didn't have a spare tire back here. Hell, I'm taking panels off. So I go and I pull this panel up. Wow, there's a control module sitting there. Okay? You can see the water was up sitting in this foam. Okay? I sucked an inch of water out of there. This is my, what they call a fuel pump control module. That's why my fuel gauge don't work. This thing here detects, I guess, from what it says in the book, secondary fuel pressure or level, and then main fuel level, I guess, whatever. Anyways, it's obviously bad. This is why I lost my fuse, lost all my power. If anybody knows where there's a W8 all-wheel drive that has one of these with this 3B7 906 268 number, 3B7 906 268 number, get a hold of me. These things are kind of hard to come by. I need one. I'm dead in the water without it. They're kind of expensive to buy new, so that ain't gonna happen. Anyways, This thing here is smoked. I actually came back here after this thing because there was a fuse in the side of it. And I thought, well shit, the damn fuse has got to be blown because I've got no power up front. Anyways, so that's bad. I'll give you here a good view of it so you can freeze it. 3B7906268. It's called a fuel pump control module. They're kind of odd around here where I live. I don't think there's a W8 anywhere around here, so I'm gonna have to do some serious digging. You know, be $260 for that thing. So I'm dead in the water for right now. These control modules are pretty prevalent on the East Coast. When I say control modules, I mean these W8s. These things are pretty prevalent on the East Coast and on the West Coast, but not, you know, like in the Midwest. You know, they were more of a big city car. They weren't around here. They were, you know, California cars, New York City, in that area, New England. So if anybody, you know, has any connections of any salvage yards, you know, let me know if you find something. Thanks.